Anita Rose Gomez, Philippines!
Thank you so much, Sir T.
To answer the question, I think I am worthy of winning Miss Asia Pacific International because of my journey and my story that is rooted in gratitude. I came from humble beginnings, but all those challenges that I've faced has made me to be the person that I'm right now, grounded, driven, and full of heart. And growing up with lack of necessity, it gave me the dedication that I have to do everything, to put my heart whenever I do something. And I think I can win Miss Asia Pacific because I'm not carrying just my dream in this journey, but I'm carrying the strength, the purpose, and the story that this crown was made for. Maraming salamat po.